Ewo, my belly don't full.
As the pharmacist, Amaka, handed him the sachet of tablets, he tore it open immediately.
Sir, what are you doing?
I won't take am now, Biko.
But you just drank milk.
Within concern milk and my medicine.
Oga Chidi, ciprofloxacin, and milk no gree for one another. If you take this medicine immediately after drinking milk, your body will not absorb it well. It will be like you didn't even take anything.
So the medicine go waste.
Yes, it won't work properly. You need to wait at least 2 hours after drinking milk before you take ciprofloxacin. Or, if you've already taken the medicine, wait at least 6 hours before drinking milk.
Sha, this one's serious, so if no be you now, I for just waste my money.
That's why pharmacists are here, sir. We don't just give medicine, we make sure you use it the right way.
You sabi your work well. I go wait. Thank you, my daughter.
You're welcome, sir. Take care.